This is the land our ancestors once walked. A place shaped by time, wind, and prayer. A gift from Allah, and a homeland we carry inside us wherever we go. No matter what storms life brings, I choose to remember my country for its beauty, for its strength, and for the peace you can still feel in the mountains. Far beyond the places most travelers know, there is a hidden region with a powerful story, Kok-Suu. Here, nature stands tall and untouched. The peaks are silent, but the history is loud and the people warm, proud, and truly welcoming. This is not just a view, this is a legacy. Now, witness it from the sky. A drone journey through the heart of Kyrgyzstan, through the spirit of the Alay Mountains.